breaking no, ain't no 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 breaking no.
Guys, it's your girl Jewel Bad Bit on again, and today we have a mukbang for you. And yeah, I know I haven't posted in a little bit, but that's okay. I'm back again. And please like, comment, subscribe, and put that post notification on. And let's get to it. Okay, so I don't know what we're gonna talk about, but yeah. So right now I got some Louisiana hot sauce because your girl needs some spice.
Let's get some targets. Let's go get Tyrell Williams and free agency, and let's hope we get anything.
Anyways, so I'm gonna take that and bing, 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 bing.
I do not get this.
Hurry. And I got some peppers. Here's my fork.
Bro, they keep on hitting me with this stupid freaking turtle.
So, what are we gonna talk about?
I don't know. Topics.
We gotta think of something that's funny happened.
Bro,
Funny happened last summer, not the summer that we just had, but last summer.
I remember last summer.
Like about what?
When me and you were riding, like when you tried to ride the skateboard and freaking what's it called? Freaking fell and banged your butt on the ground.
When?
Remember?
No, I don't remember that shit.
Oh man.
Let me see. Oh, New Year's, bro. New Year's was so funny. Freaking, I just remember being like really not in character and freaking.
Came in 5th place.
Yeah, I just wasn't in character. That was a fun night though. But yeah. These are finna be spicy, but who cares? I like spicy shit.
That don't even look spicy.
You wanna try it?
No.
It's alright, I got this. I'm a G at this. Anyways. But
Play multiplayer?
fuck no, I ain't playing that bullshit.
You lame.
Something funny happened. What is something funny that happened that we were both in? Like, we were both in the situation.
My mom was screaming at her so she farted.
What?
Joel, tired of
That wasn't even a funny joke.
Bro, you remember? No, you weren't here, but when I was at summer school and I was doing this, rubbing my leg,
Like that pepper, y'all.
bro, I farted so loud. I blamed it on the kid behind me. I remember when Joel farted.
Bro, no kitty, like, no, like, nothing. Like, kid you not, when I was in, like, 1st grade, and I used to fart in class, on, like, I don't know, it just happened. Freaking, I used to blame it on my friend. I swear to God, I used to blame that shit on my friend. Like, I was not gonna get humiliated like that in 1st grade. So all you little bitches out there that I used to go to school with in 1st grade, y'all know it was me.
Hey, which car should I choose? If you pick one, just go.
No. Bro, tell them. Okay, hold on. Tell them the time on my birthday.
Oh my gosh, this girl got arrested on her birthday because everybody got in a fight.
So how it started was, me being young. I was being like, I was doing things a little kid shouldn't. Like, I was intoxicated or whatever. Well, I didn't like these girls that were there, and they were talking mess about my sister, so I was like, bet you won't say that to her face when she come back down from Texas. So, of course, they didn't say it, and freaking...
Bro, stop smelling my ear.
Freaking...
No.
I wound up fighting them. And the next morning, I decided to go back and fight them again. My birthday party night. And it was the morning time, and I got arrested. That shit was funny.
I know. You freaking got out the handcuffs.
I did. I got out the handcuffs because they weren't tight enough in the car. And my freaking sister snitched on me. So, oh yeah. So then, shout out to the people that came to my birthday party even though I wasn't there and turned up. But, yeah. That was like messed up.
Look, my line's blowing away. I can't even see it anymore.
Friggin', I remember when I got out. Oh yeah, I had to get on house arrest, and like
This
that
dude
just
took one of my balloons.
I did not like it. House arrest was not fun. I had to let my probation officer let her know where I was at all times. It was lame. But you know, I still did what I wanted to go do. I just gotta let my probation officer know. I used to get in trouble with that shit because I used to like leave the house at like 2 o'clock in the morning, and my curfew was 11. So, but that's part of life.
Bro, this dude just took my freaking what's it called? My
They told me if I went and went to jail like a few days after when I went to jail with them, then I would have been there for Christmas. Luckily, I got out on bail. If I didn't have a bail, then I would have stayed in until Christmas. But it would have sucked.
Sarah, what are you doing under the table?
Freaking, yeah. That juice is so spicy. I can't eat these jalapenos. They're too spicy. I can drink the juice though, even though it's like really hot. My lips are like puffery.
I'd kill somebody. No, why can't I use my boomerang?
I don't know what I'm watching. But yeah,
She needs some milk.
I do, because my mouth is on fire right now. But that was my mukbang video. I know it was kind of lame, but I needed to post. If you liked our video, please like it, put that post notification on, and hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Anyways, yeah, and stay tuned for more, because the next video I will be doing, I will be in school doing a school vlog. So yeah, bye.